Good afternoon to one and all. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Abhinaya. Now you are watching the online classes for your computer subject. Nowadays we are going through the lesson 1, formulas in Excel 2016. Still we have completed up to autosum feature, and I gave the practical as a homework to do the homework which is based on this autosum feature. Have you all completed? Okay, good. Today we move to the next topic, functions library. Actually, functions in Excel are predefined formulas. Predefined formulas already defined. Okay, already it's defined. Predefined formulas that perform specific calculations. Okay, already they designed the formulas to perform some specific calculations. Okay, we will discuss some basic functions here. Do you know how to find that? Yes, in the ribbon top. Okay, after opening your Excel sheet, look at the top ribbon. There, just to see this formula tab. First, find out the formula tab. Then, in that, we have to see the function library group. Under the formula tab, we can see the function library group. Then click the function button for the category of function you want to use, such as financial, logical, text, date and time, lookup and reference, or math and trick. Okay, many options are there. Just click the function button for the category of function. Then select the required function from the list that appears. Okay, actually functions library means that predefined formulas to perform some specific calculations. Okay, from where we have to find this function library? Under the formula tab, we have to click the functions library. In the function library group, we have to click the function button. Just to select the required function from the list. Many functions are there. Whatever you want, you can select it from the list. Okay, let us learn about two functions in the math and trick category. Okay, now I'm going to explain about two functions. Okay, I'm going to explain about the two functions of math and trick. First one, GCD. First one, GCD. GCD in the sense, this function calculates the GCD, or the greatest common divisor. Okay, GCD means greatest common divisor of two or more integers. The greatest common divisor is the largest integer that can divide the numbers without a remainder. Okay, divide the numbers without a remainder. So when you want to find out the GCD, which means greatest common divisor of two or more integers, what we have to use? We have to use this GCD option under math and trick category. Okay, it is also called the highest common factor. Okay, it is also called the highest common factor. So when you want to find out this highest common factor, just go under this math and trick function. Okay, in this math and trick category, you can find this GCD, which means greatest common divisor. To calculate the GCD, we have some steps. Okay, after completing the second step also, I will do the example. Just keep on watching. Next one, LCM. Two functions of math and trick. First one is GCD, second one is LCM. LCM, this function calculates the least common multiple of two or more integers. Okay, least common multiple of two or more integers. The least common multiple is the smallest positive integer that is a multiple of all the given numbers. Okay, multiple of all given numbers, smallest positive integer, that is a smallest positive integer, that is a multiple of all the given numbers. To calculate the LCM, we have some steps. Okay, let's see this example of GCD. Okay, first I'm going to explain about GCD. What I have said, that is greatest common divisor of two or more integers. Okay, to find the highest common factor, we can use this GCD. What's the first step? Yes, first step, under A1 we have to give one value. Okay, I'm giving 12. A1 value is 12. Then A2 value is 39. Okay, what's the value of A2? 39. Okay, type numbers in cells A1 and A2. Then select A3. Okay, select A3, which is the cell where you want the GCD of the two numbers. Okay, this A3, which is the cell where you want the GCD of the two numbers. Okay, then can you see this math and trick? Yes, this is the formulas group. What I have said, do you remember that? Yes, click the formulas tab. In this function library, can you see this one? Yes, in this function library, click the function button for the category of function you want to use. Many functions are there. It is usually used: financial, logical, text, date and time, lookup and reference, matrix. Okay, more functions are there. Now I'm gonna select this math and trick. Okay, what we are going to do now, GCD. Can you find this GCD here? Yes. Okay, GCD. Then you can see this dialog box. Okay, the function arguments dialog box appears. Function arguments dialog box appears. Type A1. Here we have to give A1. Here we have to give A2. Okay, totally we have given two inputs. Okay, so type A1 and A2 in the number 1 and number 2 boxes, okay, respectively. Then observe that the result of the formula appears near the bottom of the dialog box. Did you see? Observe that the result of the formula appears near the bottom of the dialog box. Formula result is 3. Okay, then click OK. The output will now be seen in cell A3. Can you see that answer? Yes. Next, we can see the example of LCM. This function calculates the least common multiple of two or more integers. Okay, least common multiple means what is that? Smallest positive integer, that is a multiple of all the given numbers. Okay, all the given numbers. We can see the example. I am going to give the value as 14 as C1 and 6 C2, then 10. Okay, now we want to get the result in cell C4. So type numbers in cells. If you want, you can give here also. Okay, yes, then C1, C2, C3, and select cell C4 where you want the LCM of the three numbers. Okay, then the same procedure, click math and trick. You can see the drop down list. From there we have to select LCM, least common multiple. Okay, select LCM. You can see this function arguments here. Function arguments dialog box, type A1, which means here I gave C cell. Okay, so C1, then number 2 C2, then number 3 C3. Okay, totally 3 inputs, C1, C2, C3. Okay, in the number 1, number 2, number 3 text boxes respectively. Okay, note that the result can be seen near the bottom of the dialog box. Can you see formula result? Yes, near the bottom of the dialog box. Click OK, then you can get the result here in cell C4. Do you understand? Yes. Just give the input of GCD and go under this formulas function library group and select the math and trick function. From there we have to select the GCD. Then argument, function argument box is there. Give A1 and A2 and click OK. Okay. Yes, as well as when you want to type, when you want to get the answer for the LCM, least common multiple, just type all the inputs as C1, C2, C3. Then where you want to get the result, just select that particular cell and same procedures. Okay, well, just to get the practice of this GCD and LCM, okay, just try it with your own examples also. Then insert function, creating a formula using insert function. Where we can find this insert function means two options are there. First one in the autosum menu, okay, under the autosum menu you have to click the more functions option. From the autosum menu you have to click more functions option, okay, otherwise click the formula tab. Under this formula tab you can see the function library group, okay. Yes, in the top ribbon you can see this formula tab and under that you can find the function library group. In that we have to click insert function, okay. What's the use of this insert function? The insert function button on the formula bar is used for selecting a function in a worksheet, okay. Just a simple thing, selecting a function in a worksheet, okay. Okay, have you all understood? Yes, okay. And finally the lesson has completed. Just to revise all the portion very well, and this is the lesson that you're going to write the first test, okay. Now I will give the book back exercises answers now. In your book, page number 22, just the first part, filling the blanks. Okay, first part, filling the blanks. First, a formula always starts by typing the equal sign. Okay, a formula always starts by typing the equal sign. When you type the formula in the Excel cell, where we have to start and when we have to start? Yes, after typing A1 or A2 as your input, just select the output cell and type the formula by starting with equal sign, okay. Then second, the dash symbol is used for absolute referencing. Absolute referencing means, yes, dollar symbol, okay. Dollar symbol is used for absolute referencing. Then third one, the concatenation operator is ampersand, okay. Yes, the concatenation operator is ampersand. You can see the symbol of this dollar as well as ampersand in your book, okay. Then fourth one, the dash function is used to add the values of the cells. When you want to add the values of the cells, just give this sum option, sum function, okay. The sum function is used to add the values of cells. Then fifth one, if you have typed a formula in a cell, you can see the formula in the formula bar, okay. Just when you use this Excel sheet, when you type the formula in the particular cells, example, if you select the A4 cell as the output cell, after typing the formula you can see the same formula in the formula bar also, okay. Just to check it. Then sixth one, all cells in columns B through D are referred to as. How we can refer this columns B through D? B colon D. Okay, B colon D, which is B through D. Are you clear? Yes. Okay. Okay. Then seventh one, the symbol. Okay. Tick symbol. This button on the formula bar works as the enter key. Okay. This button on the formula bar works as the enter key. Then eighth one, the exponent, this symbol. Okay. The exponent mathematical operator is evaluated before the addition mathematical operator. Okay, before this addition operator we can see this exponent operator. Okay, are you clear? First one, a formula always starts by typing the equal sign. Second, the dash symbol is used for absolute referencing, dollar symbol. The concatenation operator is ampersand. The dash function is used to add the values of cells, sum function. If you have typed your formula in a cell, you can see the formula in the formula bar when the cell is selected. All cells in columns B through D are referred to as B colon D. The symbol, okay, the button on the formula bar works as the enter key. The exponent mathematical operator is evaluated before the addition, okay, before the addition operator. Have you learned? Yes, just memorize all the answers. When you see this video itself, no need to give extra time to learn this computer lesson. Okay. Second, write T for the true and F for the false one. Just true or false. First question, when you select a cell, it appears in the name box. Yes? Yes. When you select a cell, it appears in the name box. The answer is true. Second, this symbol is dollar. Okay, dollar a, dollar two is an example of mixed referencing. Yes, no, it's wrong, false. Okay, it's absolute. Okay, then hash div slash zero exclamation, which shows that the formula contains an invalid operation. Yes, yes, already I have explained the errors of this Excel sheet. Okay, just to learn all the types of errors and you can give the answers for this true or false. Okay, what hash div slash zero exclamation shows? Yes, contains an invalid operation. Okay, then fourth, the default cell referencing is absolute. No, it's wrong. Okay, the default cell referencing is absolute. The content is wrong. That's false. Then dollar sign is used for absolute referencing. Yes, of course it's true. Okay, the dollar sign is used for absolute referencing. True. Then this error shows hashes. This error shows that the column is not wide enough. So answer is true. Okay, this error shows the column is not wide enough. Okay, answer is true. Then the count function. What's the use of this one? Counts the number of columns. Yes. No, that's wrong. Okay, counts the number of cells which we have give us the input. Okay, false. Then the minimum function is used to find the smallest value in a set of values. The minimum function is used to find the smallest value in a set of values. Yes, already we have given five sets of values. From these five sets of values, we can find the minimum value by using this minimum function. Okay, so the content is true. Are you clear? Yes. Once again, when you select a cell, it appears in the name box. Yes, it's true. Then $A, $2 is an example of mixed referencing. No, it's wrong because $A, $2 is a type of absolute referencing. Okay, then #/0 exclamation shows that the formula contains an invalid operation. Yes, it's true. Okay, it shows that invalid operation. Then the default cell referencing is absolute. No, it's wrong. Why? The default cell referencing is mixed. Okay, only mixed, not absolute. So that's wrong. $sign is used for absolute referencing. Yes, it's true. Okay, then the error hashes, okay, shows that the column is not wide enough. Yes, it's true. Then the count function counts the number of columns filled. No, it's wrong. Why? Count function counts the number of numeric values in a range, only what we have filled. Okay, numeric value of range. So that content is wrong. The minimum function is used to find the smallest value. Yes, of course, it's true. Okay. Then third one, choose the correct option. What's the value of equal 2 plus 9 minus 2 exponent 3? Choose the correct option means you can see the four choices there. Okay, from that you have to select any one. Four choice will be there. From that you have to select any one answer. So during the exam I will give all the choices there. You have to select the appropriate one. What's the value of equal 2 plus 9 minus 2 exponent 3? What's the answer? 3. Just find it. Okay, you'll get the answer. Then second question, the autosum button is present in the editing, okay, editing group as well as function library group. Okay, this is not the one answer, editing and function library, that's wrong. Okay, two options are there. Where are they? One is editing group. Okay, please listen it carefully. The autosum button is present in the editing group, first one, and second one function library group. Okay, editing group as well as function library group, we can find this autosum button. Then third, which is not a mathematical operator? Yes, there four operator functions are there. Four operators are there. From that you can select this equal. Okay, then which one is a type of cell referencing? Yes, there single, double, mixed, auto. Okay, four options are there. What's the answer? Mixed. Okay, which one is a type of cell referencing? Mixed. Then fifth one, which character is used to join the strings? Okay, there dollar, hash, ampersand, equal, many symbols are there. From that you have to select this ampersand. Which character is used to join the strings? Ampersand. Okay, then sixth one, the dash feature adds the numbers automatically, which means we give some input. Okay, we give some numbers. When you want to get the answer of these numbers by using this addition, what the option to select? Yes, autosum. Okay, absolutely, you're right. Autosum symbol, autosum feature is used to add the numbers automatically. Okay, just to click that autosum function, you will get the answers. Okay, yes. Then seventh one, which button on the formula board is used for selecting a function in a worksheet? Yes, insert function. To select the function in your worksheet, we have to give the insert function. Okay. Then, which formula error shows that the formula refers to a cell that does not exist? That does not exist. Okay. Many options are there. From that, you have to select the particular one, which the cell does not exist means hash reference. Okay, hash reference exclamation, hash ref. Okay, are you clear? Please just go through this lesson and um, note down all the answers. Try to learn within this class itself. Okay, no need to give extra time for these things. If you listen this class very carefully, you can memorize all the answers in the class itself. Okay, and two more questions also there. No problem, you please don't get worried. I will send all the book back answers through the WhatsApp group. Fill ups, true or false, choose the correct answers, and this 2 mark questions, descriptive type questions. Okay, 2 mark questions. I will send all the answers as a PDF. okay, as a PDF through the WhatsApp group, so you can write all the answers in the booklet, okay, and try to learn by using these answers. That's why I'm explaining all these things through the video also. Please don't ignore this, just try to learn all the 2 marks also, okay. Thank you for watching this class, and lesson 1 has completed today. So thank you for watching this class and try to learn these things correctly. Then get a practice by using this Excel sheet, okay. If you get the practice, really it will be very useful to memorize all these things, okay, and go through the lesson very thoroughly. Thank you all.